Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your MiFit account's password. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to change your password on MiFit application, tap open the application first. If you're signed into your account, first log out of your account. In order to log out, go to Settings on your phone, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Find MiFit from the list of the apps displayed. Once you find the app, go to Storage and then tap on Clear Data and select OK from the pop-up. Now, go back to your MiFit application and tap it open. When you end up in your login screen, enter your email address in the first text field that you see. Now, when asked for your password, tap on Forgot Password. You have two options in order to change your password. You can either change or reset your password by email or by SMS verification code. If you've entered your mobile number during the sign-up process, you can go ahead and choose Reset Password by SMS verification code. But if you signed up using your email, choose the first option. Go ahead and enter your email address in the next page. Now, enter the verification code that you can see at the right corner. After you do that, tap on OK. On the next page, you'll be able to reset your account's password. Enter your new password in the first text field. Now move on to the next field and type in the password one more time. Make sure both of your passwords matches. Finally, tap on Submit. After you do that, you'll be able to change your password successfully and you'll be sent back to your sign-in page of MiFit. Now go ahead and enter the credentials and then type in the password you just created. Finally, tap on Sign In and you'll be logged into your MiFit account with your new password. That is how you can easily change your password on MiFit. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.